Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two 5-gallon bucket dollies. On the left, I got the chemical guys, and on the right, this one's made, the black one here, this one's made by SGCB. Both of them will hold a 5-gallon bucket. Now, I got them for a Yeti. I like to put a Yeti 5-gallon bucket in it. You don't have to put a 5-gallon Yeti one. You can put just a standard 5-gallon bucket in there. Now, they have a lot of similarities, but let's go over the differences real quick. Now, probably the first difference I noticed was on the chemical guys, each wheel has a lock, which I don't know that I necessarily need that. Over here on this one, the black one, only 2 wheels have locks. So if you're worried about making sure you have the right position and just a quick lock on a wheel, over here you may have to turn it a little bit to lock it. But I found this one works okay too. Next thing is the chemical guys, this wheel is a little bit quieter. It's a little bit softer. This one is a little bit more of a harder rubber. So sometimes the wheel just wants to glide instead of roll. Where the chemical guys is it's going to grip and roll most of the time. It rolls a little bit easier. Now the opening, the black one here, 10 3/4 inch opening. This one's a little bit bigger. It's exactly 11. Now clearance wise, 2 1/4 inches. They're both 2 1/4 inches. Overall height, chemical guys is 6 3/4. This one's 6 1/4, so a little bit smaller. The black one does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the screws that you turn in. The chemical guys just has 3, which I find the 3s to be perfectly fine. The black one does have spots here to put like a pole or a brush. The chemical guys doesn't have any place to do any attachments. Now both of them, putting the wheels on was the hardest part. They come disassembled and you got to put the wheels, the rod goes into the plastic. The black one, it seemed to be a little bit harder to put the wheels in. The chemical guys did seem to go in a little bit easier. You can see the bottom. There's where you can see sort of the height difference. Both the wheels are ball bearing. But again, this is just a little bit of a harder rubber. This is just it's hard, but it's got like a little soft coating on it. Now both of them fit a standard 5-gallon bucket just fine. Now I bought a Yeti 5-gallon bucket, and they both fit a Yeti 5-gallon bucket, which is maybe a little bit bigger, but not much. They both fit in there. Turn the knob, it's going to roll around real easy. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.